Hello everyone, today in this video I'll talk about the London School of Economics and Political Science. There are some PhD studentships are available and we can take a further look about that. For 2024 entry, London School of Economics will be offering studentships to new students in 2023. This was idiot in the form of LSE PhD Studentships, LSE DTP, PSRC Studentships, and London Art Humanities Partnerships Studentships. These awards are open to high caliber students of all nationalities studying across all the research areas at the school. Now we'll take a look about the eligibility. So, London School of Economics PhD studentships are tenable for 4 years and cover full fees and annual stipend. So, they will cover your fees and also they will provide you the monthly stipend, which for 2023 entry was 20,000 euro. They are available for UK and international students taking research in London School of Economic Discipline with annual renewable subject to satisfactory academic performance. These awards will be made solely on the basis of outstanding merit, academic merit, and research potential. This relates both to your past academic record and to an assessment of your likely aptitude to complete a PhD in your chosen topic in the time allocated. Okay, so that was about the eligibility criteria. How you can apply is NAMBEC department nominate the students for consideration by the school panel for all PhD funding opportunities they may be eligible for. There is no separate application for these studentships. To be considered for this funding, you must complete application for the admission to London School of Economics by a specific date. This date differ by academic departments. Refer to the individual program page for relevant deadline information. So you can find your graduate program here by clicking on that link. Deadline for research programming lab school for entry 2024 is 1st December. So it is already passed, guys. You can take a look if you want to apply into other departments. Funding deadline for first round of PhD studentships and for ESRC funding pending bid outcomes for 2023 is 15 January. So yeah, the deadline is available and funding deadline for second round is, so you can apply for different rounds as well. So you can take a look if is there any other deadlines available, then you can apply for that, and you need to just submit your application for admission. You don't need to submit separate application. This is one of the story of Catherine Foreman. I received an London School of Economics PhD in studentships which covers both my tuition and living expenses. It was a huge honor to receive funding from such a prestigious institution, and without this support, it would be have been impossible for me to pursue my PhD. So you can be the one who would be sharing that story. It's simple. You need to just apply for your application, and you can also find out about different other scholarships, more information how to apply. So this is the instructions about how you can submit your application. Supporting documents, online application. You need to click here and go to your online application. Also program choices, you can take a look. If you are applying for two programs, please submit separate statement for of academic purpose for each program. And these are the supporting documents which you need to upload with your application. Yeah, and if you will have any further question about the application, then you can ask me in the comment section. I'll respond to your queries. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then kindly guys subscribe to our channel. And yeah, Take care. I wish you best of luck. Bye bye.